Loading film into the Fuji GSW690iii. So to open the back, I've got this little lever here, pull that down and pop it. That's the back open. You've got an empty spool on this side. Press the little red dot to get that out. On this side, press the little red dot and put this empty spool on this other side. Make sure it's locked into place. Then we get our roller film. Put it on that side. Bring the tongue across. Drop it into the slot there. Make sure it goes right in. And wind, just keeping your finger on it. And so, once it's started, just keep some pressure on this side. And we keep winding until this arrow here lines up with this little silver arrow just here. Like so. Close the back. Put it down. And then you can see the little... We keep winding. Till it stops. Now we're at number 1. You get to 8. Bring it to the end. We keep going until you feel the pressure go. That's all done. Open the back and it's there. So you just press the red dot, get your exposed film. What I normally do is move this empty one over. That way you're ready to go again. That's loading film into the Fuji GSW690iii.